If you're experiencing hair loss due to either itchy scalp or dandruff, here I'll be teaching you how to prevent it using rice water. And then in this bowl we have our rice. Next, what we do is to pour in water into the rice to wash it out, to wash out the dirt. You get a bowl and your sieve to sieve out the water. After washing the rice, you get a container. Here it's my well cleaned and sterilized. Pour in the rice. After pouring in the rice, you add your water. Then next thing I do is to cover it. Leave the rice to ferment for 24 hours. The reason why I leave it to ferment for 24 hours is because the rice releases the nutrients needed for the hair into the water, which is best for the hair. After 24 hours, we have our rice fermented here. And then one thing you'll notice is the smell from the rice. Some people don't really like the smell on their hair. So one thing you do to prevent the smell is to add any essential oil of your choice or use orange peel. Add it to the water to reduce the smell. Here is our fermented rice water. Next thing I do is to get my spray bottle and then my funnel. Turn in the fermented water. To get a better result of this on your hair, you have to be frequent about it for at least 1 or 3 months, depending on your hair type, your hair texture. You don't expect to get a result immediately. But the next thing we'll do is to spray it on the hair. While spraying, make sure you massage the water into the hair for it to go in very well. Just as I'm doing mine. And you can also do this on the loose hair. After spraying, you can wash the hair off after 30 minutes or wash off the rice water after 30 minutes if you want to go out immediately using your shampoo, or you can leave it overnight if you're not in a rush. Then you cover your hair using your hair bonnet. Don't forget to be frequent with this. You can do it like 2 to 3 times in a week for the period of 2 to 3 months to get a better results. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notification because I'll be posting more videos, interesting videos that you would like to know.